In today's video, I will be swatching 8 shades of Maybelline Fit Me foundation for you guys, and also I will be giving you a guide on how you can choose any foundation shade specifically for Maybelline, but also any other brand ka shade or any other foundation online. And I know there are a lot of videos suggesting you how you can choose it offline by going to a store and swatching it, but I can understand that's not always possible, especially in the middle of a pandemic. You would like to get your order delivered and not go to a store swatching foundation. Plus, sometimes it might happen that the foundation, your favorite foundation that you are looking for, is actually not available in stores nearby, and the only way of buying it is from an online website. So if you're interested in that, then please keep on watching this video till the end. This intro has already been way too long. Before I go into the details of Maybelline Fit Me swatches, I need you to know some details about how foundations and skin tones are actually named in the cosmetic industry. Majorly, there are 3 categories of skin tones. One is light, medium and deep. The category medium actually represents the entire of brown skin, that is Indian skin tone. You would like to go for the shades that are named in the medium range. Now, medium can also be divided into 3 to 4 categories, I think. Sand, tan, deep, beige, warm, then nude also sometimes. For usually nude, porcelain, ivory, these will be term used for the lighter skin tones. Walnut, chestnut, deep, something around those terms will be used for deeper and darker complexions. Now that I know that my shade is in the medium category and what terms to look for, now you have to know the second thing about your skin, which is your undertone. Undertones can be broadly of 3 types, that is warm, cool and neutral. One of the best way is to check the veins, but I feel like veins are very confusing. I think my one is purple. If you have cool undertone, I think it will be blue, and if you have warm, then the veins will be green, and if you have neutral, then it will be purple. But if you find that confusing, you can also just analyze your skin and tell which is your undertone. For example, if your skin has cool undertone, then it will have reddish, pinkish undertones or bluish undertones. If your skin has the warm undertone, then it will have yellow, olive and greenish undertone, I guess, and if it is neutral, then it will be a mix of both. Another way of telling the undertone of your skin is the sun test. I read it from a website and I thought this is a really genius idea, because if your skin burns easily under the sun, then it is cooler undertone, and if it tans easily under the sun, then you have neutral or warm undertone. And I think this test was actually pretty valid for me, because my skin burns easily than tanning easily. My skin takes time to tan, but a little bit of exposure to sun actually burns it and turns into red, pinkish kind of a color. So yeah, that is a big test for me, and that's how I know that my skin's undertone is actually cool. Now that you have narrowed down the foundation shades by their name, I will always say that go for a foundation brand that always names the foundation than numbering, because numbering is very difficult to remember, plus it's very confusing. Now, if you want to be more accurate, you can definitely go on YouTube or any other platform and check for swatches on someone who has a closer skin tone to yours. So if you have the same skin tone as mine, then you can buy the same shade that I use and that matches me. This is also very tricky, because of course the number of people swatching shades online is really less, and the number of skin tones that are available in the world is huge. But even if you don't find a swatch video, I will assure you that the sun test, the undertone test, or even the naming thing actually works pretty fine. Another step that I do while buying foundation is, one, I go to store and buy at least one foundation that matches exactly my skin tone, and I analyze that particular bottle. For example, Maybelline Fit Me ka ye wala shade matches my skin tone perfectly. Okay, now this foundation looks a little bit pinkish, it looks a little bit medium shade, and I know this shade when I see it. So once you start analyzing the bottle foundation, you will also able to recognize this foundation ka shade in other bottles as well. I think this is a little bit psychological, means you have to keep observing the bottle, you have to keep using the shade for some time, and then you will like your eyes will get adjusted to the shade, and it will immediately recognize the shade in any bottle or in any foundation. On top of that, you can also check that what your foundation color looks like on your skin, the one that exactly matches on your skin. Then when you go to that particular shade's website and see the swatches, usually every single website will have the swatches done on some models. Choose the one that matches your skin tone. The best way to do is sit with the foundation bottle, apply it on your hand or maybe on your face, and check the swatches ka image and match it with your skin. Don't click image and start matching it, because everybody's camera is different, and a lot of phone cameras adds beauty filters to it, so don't do that. I will say that go in front of a mirror, then check what your foundation is looking like on your skin and what the foundation that the model is wearing is looking on their skin. Usually the swatches on the websites are always correct, I have seen. Now before I jump into the topic of how you can choose your Fit Me foundation shade, let me just show you the swatches of all the shades that I have, the 8 shades that I have, and show you which one is my closest match. As you can see from the swatches, the natural tan is my exact match, almost like melts into my skin and vanishes into my skin. And I'm also wearing this foundation today. I'm literally in love with this foundation now. The coverage for these foundations are medium. It's not full or sheer. I think this is a perfect formula for everyday wear. I didn't really know this foundation is so good, you guys. I really love the formula. Also, it blends very easily onto your skin. The coverage is not full coverage, but it still gives enough coverage and doesn't look cakey on your skin. I absolutely love this foundation. Even though this is a matte finish foundation, it doesn't cling on to my dry skin. Specifically for Maybelline Fit Me foundation, they have a foundation shade finder website. I will leave the link to that website in the description box. So when you visit this particular website, you will be given two options. One, you can take a questionnaire. You can answer the questions that their AI prompts, and from there you will get some recommendation of shades in multiple categories. Or you can upload your selfie and upload it, and then it will scan that image and give you the recommendation. I did both the test, and I'm going to show you how I did. First, for the questionnaire, initially I chose the wrong one. I went for a little bit lighter shade, and I went back and chose a darker shade. First, they will ask you to select your skin tone. So I selected medium skin tone. Then they will ask for undertone. For me, it was purple. I chose purple because it is from cool to neutral undertone. And then they will ask you to select the coverage, that is medium, full or sheer. And lastly, the finish, that is matte or luminous. I went for medium coverage because I wanted Fit Me, and also matte because I wanted the Fit Me foundation recommendation. So they will give you a lot of recommendations. I chose the foundations based on these recommendations for swatching it today. That after you go for the undertone, they will also show you some pictures of models wearing the foundation and ask you to choose the closest match to that, which is great. I think I went back and did the selfie thing also. I think the selfie test did not work for me. I think this is my fault also. I took the selfie in natural light, that is sunlight, and I have seen that when I take my selfies in sunlight, it looks a little bit warm. So maybe based on that, they have recommended warm undertones to me, and that just doesn't match my skin. On top of that, okay, my phone is not really very good, so it probably have added some beauty filter or maybe color correction to it, and that is why the skin tone and the skin color also got messed up, and I was not able to rely on that. So I will suggest that go for the questionnaire because that gives a much better recommendation. But if you are not confident about the questionnaire and you want to go for the selfie one, I will say that go and take your selfie under the normal ghar ka light and not natural light. It can make your skin a little bit yellow, and also take it with a good camera, not something that adds a beauty filter to it. So I hope I answered your questions. My Fit Me foundation shade is 320 natural tan. My Maybelline Fit Me concealer shade is 35, that is deep, and I think the powder, the Fit Me powder, is 25, which is medium. These are the three products I used for today's base, and I'm super happy with today's base. I've never had been successful with doing my base makeup before, because if the foundation matches, the concealer doesn't match, concealer matches, the foundation doesn't match. Let me know below in the comment section if you have any more questions, and if you haven't checked out the Fit Me concealer swatch video, I will leave the link to it down in the description box. It's a little bit different. I know I'm joking a lot in that video, not in today's video, but nonetheless the video is going to be helpful. Just go and check that out. And if you want me to swatch any other foundation recommendation or concealer recommendation you have, then leave it down in the comment section. I will be glad to do that. And for my outfit details also, you can check my description box. But today's outfit is basically a dress from Urbanic. In fact, today everything is from Urbanic. This butterfly necklace, this butterfly earring, everything is from Urbanic. You guys know the drill, that all the product link will also be in the description box, along with my Instagram handle. I'm posting a little bit more on Instagram as well. And yeah, if you are new here, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care.